In this video, I show you how to fix controller not working in OneHuman. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If you want to fix this issue, you just simply need to consider these steps. Number 1. Check controller connection. Ensure your controller is properly connected to your PC or console. For wire controllers, inspect the cable and connection port. For wireless controllers, verify pairing and battery levels. Number 2. Restart device. A simple reboot can often resolve temporary glitches. Close OneHuman and restart your device. Number 3. Update game and drivers. Make sure OneHuman is updated to the latest version. Check for update in your game launcher or store. For PC users, update your controller drivers through Device Manager. Number 4. Verify controller settings. Open OneHuman and navigate to Game Settings menu. Access controller settings and ensure your controller is recognized. Adjust settings as needed. Number 5. Console specific checks. Update your console's firmware. And in the last, reset the controller. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. Thank you so much for watching.